Welcome back to Moto Craze. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155, the latest iteration of Yamaha's sporty maxi scooter that's been making waves in the two-wheeler world. If you're into aggressive styling, peppy performance, and smart features, you're going to want to stick around for this full review. First things first, the 2025 Aerox 155 gets a fresh visual update. Yamaha hasn't done a complete redesign, but they've sharpened up a few elements. The LED headlamp unit now has a sleeker DRL signature, giving it a meaner look. The side profile still carries that muscular, aerodynamic flow, with sharp cuts and creases, giving it that big bike presence. It's still unmistakably sporty, with dual-tone color options and flashy decals that scream street racer. New paint schemes like the Midnight Cyan and Racing Blue pop hard under sunlight. Perfect if you like turning heads. The overall fit and finish feel premium. The body panels are well put together, and everything from the seat stitching to the switchgear feels a notch higher than before. Yamaha's also given a slightly tweaked rear grab rail and alloy design that adds to the overall visual drama. It still rides on 14-inch wheels and has that wide, planted stance that makes it look like it belongs to a higher segment. When it comes to features, Yamaha's packed this thing with a ton of tech. It's got a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that's Bluetooth enabled, so you can pair it with the Y-Connect app. That gives you phone notifications, last park location, maintenance updates, and more. No touchscreen here, but the connectivity is still top-notch. You've got a smart key system, a USB charging socket in the front glove box, and automatic start-stop tech to improve fuel efficiency in city rides. The underseat storage is a decent 24.5 liters, enough for a full-face helmet and a few extras. Now, let's talk about the engine. The Aerox 155 continues to use the tried-and-tested 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder motor with variable valve actuation. The same one from the R15, tuned for a more urban ride feel. It pumps out 15 PS of power and around 13.9 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful scooters in its class. This thing isn't just about style, it genuinely moves. Acceleration is smooth and punchy, with the CVT transmission keeping things seamless. It's ideal for zipping through traffic and hold its own on open roads too, comfortably cruising at 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. Handling remains a strong suit. The telescopic forks up front and the single rear shock do a solid job of soaking up bumps without compromising on feedback. The 2025 model has slightly revised suspension tuning, making it a bit more comfortable over rough patches. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear drum with single-channel ABS, good enough for most city riders. Coming to the pricing, Yamaha has priced the 2025 Aerox 155 at around 1 Indian rupee. 50 lakh ex-showroom, which is slightly higher than before, but still offers great value when you consider the performance, features, and road presence. It's definitely aimed at enthusiasts who want a scooter that doesn't feel like a compromise. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 continues to be a head-turner that blends sporty aesthetics with practical features and serious performance. If you're a city rider who craves thrill but still needs daily usability, this scooter should be high on your list. That's it for today's review. Moto Craze fam, drop a like if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Would you pick the Aerox over something like the Aprilia SR or TVS and Torque? Catch you in the next ride.